Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing the footage and arranging clips on the timeline. This keeps everything accessible. Tap the clip to edit, then duplicate the layer so you always have the original preserved. Once done, set the canvas resolution and frame rate to match your export. This prevents scaling artifacts. Make sure to zoom the timeline for precise trims. These initial steps give you control and avoid destructive edits, so you can experiment confidently as you move into the transparency process. Next, you add transparency using a mask or chroma key depending on your source. If the background is solid, choose chroma key and pick the color. Otherwise, draw a mask around the subject. Then refine by reducing opacity, increasing feather, and adjusting edge fade so the subject blends naturally. You can keyframe the mask path or opacity to follow motion. This maintains realism. As you refine, scrub the timeline often to catch jitter. Small adjustments make a big visual difference. To finish, preview a short export using your target settings. Confirm the transparency holds in playback. If you see halos or color fringing, reduce inner feather, tweak contrast, or add a secondary key to isolate problem tones. This removes unwanted edges. Make a low-resolution proof first to verify motion and color, then render the full clip. If the key jumps, retract the mask or increase keyframe frequency. These final checks prevent export errors and ensure a clean, transparent result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.